Mechanic Dan here, and today we're going to be talking about the flange key replacement on the RSP 5, 6, and 8 grinders. Alright, just like an electrical circuit, this mechanical circuit needs a fuse. It needs a place that's going to blow, that's going to be cheaper than the whole gearbox, engine, or anything else you're working with. So this actually has a key, and manufacturers have been doing this for years. They actually make keys to go in hubs, and they make them different strengths. Just like engine manufacturers, they make the keys out of different materials, some aluminum. So if you do hit something or something goes wrong, it'll shear this key and it won't break the crankshaft or something really important like up inside your planetary gear. All right, let's start out with really quick and easy on how to get this thing apart. First thing you do is, let's start at the bottom here. We'll take out our 3 8mm flathead bolts that are holding our butterfly buckle on. Butterfly buckle just holds your tooling plate on. All right, got tooling plate off, butterfly buckle. Now we're down to just your base plate. Your base plate has 3 of these bolts that go through and secure it to this flange. All right, these bolts right here, 12mm thread, 19mm head, go all the way through the pad and hold everything to the flange. So I've taken these 3 out with the washers, and it's separated from the flange that's just above it. So now all we have is this flange sticking up here with the washer and a retainer nut. That's what you have left once you take all that off. You're going to take this nut off here and the washer. Sometimes you have to warm this up a little bit. If you have to, just use a little plumber's torch. Warm up this flange a little. Get some pry bars in behind it. Just be careful. Don't pry anything crooked or anything. Make sure you pull really easy. Once you warm this up, it should slide off and on fairly easy. Now here, this right here is a 5 that I'm working with. The 8 actually has 2 keys in it. And you can see this flange is compatible with 2 key also. But this RSP 5 only uses 1 key. So this bag will be coming with your machine. It'll either be in your toolbox or it'll be wire tied to it. These are spare keys. So what happens is, as this is connected to the shaft coming out of your planetary gearbox, this thing's spinning along and you hit something, you don't want it to break the shaft off up in your gearbox. So this key will actually shear, and it'll let that spin on it to where you have to get in, pull this hub, replace your key, clean up your shaft, clean up everything real good, put a new key in, and put it all back together. So it's just kind of like a fuse in a circuit breaker system mechanically. So we start out, we pull our butterfly buckle off. We'll get to this nut, take that nut off, the 3 holding it to the flange. Then you get to your flange. All you have to do is get behind it with some pry bars, work it loose, warm it up if you have to, slide it off, replace this key, that key right there. So remember, the 8s have 2, and these are just, the 5, 6, and 8s are a little different here and there, but all these sizes should be good for a 5. So if you have any questions, just give us a holler here at Runyon Surface Prep. Thank you.